Well, the York just started up. Here's a look at the fan. It has two blades, as it turns out. Taking a more direct overhead photo. Usually you can feel that's bad, but here's the damage to the coils. Bad damage. Here's some more bad damage. You see, it's just in poor shape. Very poor shape. That's now running. And as you can see, they bolted this back up. And so is the Payne teardrop straight cool unit. Wait, not teardrop. So he's saying Payne teardrop because most of the Paynes I've videoed recently have been teardrops, but the Payne 2009 Payne straight cool unit. I'm gonna read the model number on the York first. But they must like replace the compressor or something. It's much quieter now. Vibrates a lot less. Or it could be dying for all I know. But who knows? But the model number on the York is D3CG036N08206B. The serial number is NNXM164204. It says York International down here. I still don't understand why they put a outlet right there, because when this unit dies, you're gonna have to replace it. Not sure if the compressor's healthy, but here's another look at the fan. Here's another look at the bad ductwork job. I don't see why they couldn't have sent this out farther instead of having to send it out like they did this, or they could have sent this out. I don't know. It's just all badly done. Just very badly done. And it just shut off. Yeah, it's two fan blades, as you can see there. I'm gonna get a better look at it. But yeah, it's two fan blades. And it just shut off. I don't know why it ran that short. But here's another look at the Payne teardrop straight cool unit. It's currently running. Oh yeah, I need to read the model serial number on the Payne. Completely wrong, forgot about that. The model number on the Payne, serial number on the Payne is 2909X69644. Model number is PA13NA060-B. But yeah, the hacked York unit at Grissom High School that just shut off, and the 2009 Payne teardrop straight cool unit running. Over and out.